I've walked into dozens of houses where homeowners have tried to fight a German roach or bed bug infestation by setting off bug bombs. Well, all they did was end up killing the weakest of the bugs in the middle of the room, while the ones hiding in the walls just build up an immunity to the product that you're using. You aren't exterminating them, you're just creating mutant cockroaches. The aerosol foggers that you see on shelves at Walmart are almost completely useless here in Arizona. They are primarily designed to combat fleas, and we don't really have a flea problem in the West Valley. In my entire career, I can only think of a couple times I used a fogger, and it was strictly to clear black widows out of a dirt crawl space so I didn't get bitten during a termite inspection. When you set off a bug bomb in your living room, you cause what we call the scattering effect. The second those bugs sense that chemical irritant in the air, they don't just stand there and breathe it in. They panic, just like you would, and run as fast as they can into the deep voids of your wall, your block foundation, and your attic to get away. All you did was move the bugs to a different part of the house. Worse than that, nobody ever reads the actual instructions on those cans. That's right. Foggers, they shoot pesticides straight up into the air, and then gravity pulls it back down. If you don't do the prep work, that toxic residue, it lands all over your kitchen counter, your dining table, your pet's water bowls, in your fish tank, and on your furniture. You're supposed to turn off and cover everything, unplug the appliances, turn off the pilot lights in your house so you don't accidentally blow up your living room, vacate your property for hours, and then come back and physically wipe down every single horizontal surface in your home. And let's talk about the math. To treat an average 25 square foot home, you have to buy multiple packs of these bombs for every individual room and hallway. You're going to spend around $50 or more for a one-time treatment that just scatters the bugs and covers your couch in chemicals. At Open Range, our professional pest control plans start as low as $40 a month. We target the deep wall voids, we eliminate the nests, and we protect your home without turning your living room into a toxic gas chamber. Stop scattering the bugs and put the foggers down. Give Open Range Pest Control a call today.